Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change out the SIM card in your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max. Now, inside your original box, you will have a SIM ejection tool. That's what this looks like right here. Now, if you don't have one of these in your box, which looks like this, then you can fashion yourself a paper clip like this instead. And I'll show you how to use this toward the end of this video. With your SIM ejection tool, you'll want to locate the SIM tray, which is on the left-hand side of your iPhone. That is right here. That's the SIM tray. So you want to take this tool and insert it into this hole right here and push, and that'll pop it out. So push into that hole and it'll pop out the SIM tray, and you can get a fingernail under there and pull that out. Now you can take your SIM card, and you'll notice that there is a cut corner on the SIM card. You'll want to match that cut corner on the SIM tray, which is right there. So just lay that in the SIM tray, contacts up, and then you can slide that right back into where that SIM tray was. Push that in, and you'll notice your bars here will come alive once it recognizes the SIM. Now, if you don't have a SIM ejection tool in your iPhone box, you're going to want to fashion yourself a paper clip just like this. The only trick to this paper clip is you want to make sure that when you locate the SIM tray, which is right here on the left-hand side of your iPhone, that the paper clip is not thicker than the hole for the SIM tray. You want to be able to push that paper clip into the hole to pop out that tray. With the tray popped out, you can grab your SIM card and take note of the cut corner right here, because that's exactly how you're going to want to line it up with the cut corner in the SIM tray. So just match those up, lay that SIM card right in the tray, locate the slot, and insert that and push it all the way in. And then you'll notice it recognizes the SIM card, and you'll start to have bars up here. See? And that's it, YouTube. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a like, and I will catch you in the next one.